Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking a scalable core and immediately focusing on lane economy. You want consistent last hits and minimal risky trades. Once done, buy early power items, boots plus a damage starter, to hit your first power spike faster and control wave. Pay attention to cooldowns and enemy jungle position. This prevents needless deaths. Keep trading only when you have wave advantage or jungle backup. The goal here is steady gold growth and timing your spike, so you enter mid-game with item. Once you reach 2 core items, your role expands. You must convert gold into objectives. Push a wave, then rotate to help secure towers or contest the Lord. Make sure to clear vision before engaging. If enemies are split, take a side lane and draw pressure, creating space for teammates to take objectives. Adapt your build to threats. Buy a defensive item if you're targeted, because surviving a teamfight often matters more than 1 extra % damage. Communicate timings for synchronized plays. You finish by converting late-game power into map control. Group and force decisive 5v5 teamfights near Lord or towers, because the objective win condition matters more than individual kills. Make sure to target the enemy core or their disruptors first, and save your ultimate for execute moments. If things go wrong, don't tilt. Fall back to safe farming, secure jungle camps, and look for clean picks or split push windows to regain gold parity. A single successful steal or pick can flip momentum quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.